What is everyone doing racing on these suitcases?
Oh, we got the action.
What's up, guys? You know I love bringing you guys along anytime we go ride something new. Today we're at American Honda for the Motocompacto. It's kind of like an electric scooter, little miniature folding briefcase scooter thing. So yeah, it should be pretty fun. Gonna go check it out. It's really cool from what I've seen in pictures. Excited to see it in person and give it a little ride. Since we're here at Honda, it's super cool to go through their new museum hall. They have all these, one of like the first bikes ever made for Honda here. They got brought to the US. You got all these, the CB750, and then the classic 73 Elsinore. That thing's so OG. Yeah, such a classic bike. And then going through here, you got all these old, the CR750, the old Baja Racer in there. You get some go-karts, Indy cars. Yeah, if you've never been here, you gotta come check this out. Old ATCs, the first Goldwing, the Express, Honda Talon, NSX, all these old Honda cars. There's another video on the Cycle News YouTube channel where you can see a full look at all these bikes with a little bit of explanation behind each one and why each one was so cool. VFR 750, the NR 750. This thing is super trick. There's a lot more to it than even I know about, but yeah, really cool bike. Oval piston, full carbon fiber frame. This is one of the first CBRs, CBR 900, and then the RVT. This one's super trick, old race bike from the old Honda. Is that 04 Woody Woodpecker style? You got the Rune. Look how humongous this thing is. Basically a Goldwing engine in a cruiser or in a sporty chassis. And the new Goldwing, some guy named Max, I don't know, his suit back here, kind of cool. Must be some champion or something. Here's a look at all the old Honda cars. You can see all the evolution from, you know, when they started and how they get a little more sportier as you go along. And then in the back, you can see Honda generators, Honda power tools, gardening tools, marine engines. I think that's the old CRV. I'm not too much of a car guy, but S2000, R-Type or Type R. Really cool. If you've never been here, be sure to add this to your list if you're out in Torrance, California. And while we're at the Honda thing, you know I gotta look at all the moto bikes. You got Jet's bikes, 250, 450, you got Sexton's bike, and you got Hunter Lawrence's 250 Supercross or a 250 Outdoor. Really cool. Here's the inspiration for the Motocompacto. This is the Motocompo from back in the day. This is back in the 80s. And it's designed basically to fit in one of these old Honda Turbo 2s. So you can see the difference. Little two-stroke engine, folding bars. Pretty cool. And then here's the new Compacto, and it's designed to fit into this car, which is the new electric Honda Prologue. This is a new car, not available yet, but you can see the little wheels, little folding. You can put all your stuff in there. Folds up, charge, really cool. Dialed in with the lit kit today. No moto gear, just this. This thing literally looks like a suitcase with wheels, but it's actually pretty sick. It's pretty cool. I'm excited to ride it. All right, guys, Motocompacto, the rolling suitcase, front wheel drive, which is actually really interesting. You get these folding pegs in and out. This rear wheel folds into the bike. Storage all in here once the bike is deployed. Seat with a non-adjustable seat height. It's actually pretty cushioned. Synthetic grips, thumb throttle, bell. This is not standard. Now something that this could go against is something like a Bird scooter or any of those Lime kind of stand-up scooters, but a little bit nicer, you get to sit down while you ride it. Now I have a Jackrabbit at home, the smaller e-bike as well, and this thing is probably pretty comparable to something like that in terms of the sit-down bicycle e-bike type of category. The bike's actually front wheel drive, and then you can see it's all hidden in here. There's a carrying case for when you fold this thing down. Overall, small package, weighs about 40 pounds. So if you're gonna ride this thing into work and then carry it up the stairs or carry it back up to your house. Not too big of a deal. Charger and headlight right here. I don't know, for $9.95, what do you guys think? Good price, well valued, or overpriced scooter? All right, seat.
Can do. Yep, thank you.
Handlebars, lock. And you said there's a 2-piece locking system for everyone, right?
Right, so that's a clamp, and that's 10.
And done. All right, phone mounted to the handlebars, ready to ride.
Mods, it's a woo!
All right, here's the test grounds. Look at everybody ripping on these things.
E-brake turns.
All right, let's start passing people.
Who's gonna drag an elbow?
Down the front straight. Late braking into turn 1. Through the chicane. All right, everyone wants to know how fast is the Motocompacto. You want to know what the fastest test is? I'm going to show you. Let's go. All right, Motocompacto top speed test. Let's go. Through the corner. Carry that speed. Cut the course. All right, YouTube. You know we ain't playing. A bunch of car journalists here. You know we're out here gonna set the PR. All right, guarantee I'm gonna pass every one of these guys right now. It's straighten this section out right here. No turn at all. Oh, look. No one even wants the smoke. Carry the speed around turn 1. Down the back straight. Wide. Straighten it out through here. This guy, get me on the GoPro. Oh, we got the action. Full tuck, done. Mitt back straight. Oh, watch out. And across the line.
Doesn't feel like 40, I guess. But I guess if you're carrying it around for a while.
All right, first few laps on the Motocompacto, super fun. This would be an awesome bike to throw in the back of your car. If you have a long commute to work, you could just unfold this out of the back of the car, ride it to work, super fun. Good little range, 15 miles an hour, super mobile. Then it just unpacks when you're done, and you could bring it into the office like a suitcase, charge it up while you're at work, and then ride it back to the car or ride it back on your small commute back to the house. $9.95, hard to go wrong with one of these. All right, end of the day, Motocompacto, pretty fun. I don't know how you feel about electric vehicles. This thing's got 12 miles of range, 3 hours of charge time, weighs about 40 pounds. Pretty cool that it can fold up. You can carry it around. You can carry it to your desk at work. You could carry it up the stairs back to your apartment, charge it up. You know, that stuff's really cool. Doesn't really ride like a motorcycle or anything.